We are having a VIP staycation sale, and you're invited to take advantage of these awesome incentives. Customers that drive off in a qualifying new Toyota between July 23rd and 25th will get the amazing customer service that we're known for, an incredible vehicle with their choice of 1% lease or finance loyalty on select models, and $1,000 to upgrade your backyard. It's a great time to get yourself a new Toyota like this Hybrid Camry, but these incentives are only available July 23rd to 25th and only at Brimell Toyota. We're doing our best to adhere to social distancing guidelines, so we'd appreciate if you booked your appointment in advance, either on our website or by calling 416-292-2241. We're looking forward to getting you all the information you need to make sure you're on the right car for you and your family, whether it takes you a day, a week, a month, or a year to purchase it. Sound fair?